Okay, bud, what are we doing today?
We're doing the cake!
Okay, who's that for?
That's for the baby's birthday. Look. See? Mer's birthday. We forgot cake.
Okay, so what are we gonna do first?
When decorate it, and up, and then maybe when put candles on it, and then when sprinkles on it, and then when decorate.
Okay, so we have to turn the oven on first.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the oven.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
We gotta put it to 350. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're gonna take it out of the oven. Yep.
That's it.
Okay, close it up. And then you gotta push the button. Push here.
Right here.
Oh, sorry. Push. Yep, and then put the number 3.
Down.
3.
Yeah.
And number 5.
Down.
Nope. Nope. Number 5.
Yeah.
And 0. And then push start.
Down.
Good job.
Now it's hot.
Okay, now we gotta come over here. Get on your chair.
Okay. Send
Okay.
it. Yay.
Okay, so what are we gonna do now, baby?
We're going to put this cake in the bowl and mix it right like this. And then we're going to put sugar into the cake mix. And then let's stir it up.
Okay, so here, first things first.
Yeah.
Dump this in the bowl.
Okay.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Don't.
It's yummy.
Okay, we got a little oopsies. We'll leave that out. Okay, now we gotta put the eggs.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
going to make class.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Now let me get the next one. Okay.
I'm good. That's the best.
Okay, here.
I'm
Hurry,
doing my
hurry.
best. Ugh.
Okay. Don't put your hands. Don't touch your clothes. Ready?
There's the next one.
Yeah, I think you only need 3, bud.
Okay.
Wait a sec.
Water.
Wait a second. Say, tell Mimi, say, this is gonna be good, Mimi.
Man, this is big, so good. Look, I'll mix it. I'll mix it.
Okay, put that in here. Okay.
Good job, dude. Like this.
Let me do it.
You're gonna pour it. Don't worry. Just keep it in a bowl. There you go.
Is it?
No, now let mommy put that one away so you don't throw it on the clean dishes.
Alrighty. Now it's time to mix.
Let me do it too.
Okay, gotta make sure you chop up the eggs.
Just don't splatter it everywhere.
Or you're gonna hold it with two hands. Hold the bowl. There you go.
Hey, what are you making, by the way? You didn't even tell me. You told mom, but you didn't tell me. What are you making, bud?
I'm making a cake.
For who?
Mommy.
Why does Mimi get a cake?
You need to.
Why does she need to?
But it's so yummy.
Is it like a special day?
Yeah, the special day is something like it's a birthday.
It's her birthday. Wow, dude, you're making that good.
Yep. It's so good. I can't wait.
Okay, can I take over now real quick? Can I help you out? Here, tag me in. My turn. Okay, let me scoop it up for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You did a really good job.
Yeah, I'll
though.
say,
didn't have to
shoot,
do
I think you
much.
did it all by yourself.
Yeah, I'll do it by myself.
Yeah, you did such a good job.
Yep. Because I'm making cake.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, careful on the chair. Careful on the chair.
Cake.
There you go.
Okay, now we gotta put it in the pans, okay?
Okay.
We gotta spray them.
Let it.
Now you can spray this one.
Wait, no, look, you gotta twist it. That's the tip. Now push.
Okay, stop.
Good job, dude.
Excellent.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and pour some in a little pan. Okay, ready?
More and more.
Not right there, because then it'll overflow the cake pan, okay?
Okay, good job, dude.
Let me taste it.
You can taste it.
Not yet, not yet.
Not that one. Taste it in a second out of the bowl.
1 second. Extra
Yummy.
cake batter, and I gotta get another container. Don't touch nothing.
Don't touch, don't touch.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Smells good?
That's good.
Hey,
Yummy.
say I love you, Mimi.
Love you.
And then we.
We're still not safe. Boom.
Oh, really? I mean, like. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Make cake. Wrap it onto. Here. Wrap it too. Come.
I think you're gonna be a baker.
Yep.
Yep. Is there extra? No, 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 no. Is that Timmy approved? Say.
Yummy. Yeah. Me this.
Yeah.
Me lick it. Me lick it.
You can lick it in just a second.
Want some?
In just a second, baby. We gotta make it all the little cupcakes.
I want to cupcakes too.
Hey, don't put your hand in there, please. I don't want you to get hair in it.
Yeah, you don't get hair in it.
Nobody wants to eat hair. Ew.
Hold on, baby.
I'm gonna help you.
You are doing awesome.
Huh? What?
Oven's ready.
I guess the cake's ready. Let's see.
No, the cakes are gonna be here, but the oven is ready.
Yeah, the cake's ready in the oven.
We're gonna put the cakes in the oven and then bake them.
Yeah, it's
Hey, can you do it? Patty cake, bake yours. Roll it up. Put it in the oven for Mimi and Timmy. Wow, Tim, you did a great job. Don't lick it.
No.
Why?
You can lick the spoon when we're done, because you're the one who put your germs in everything.
I'm eating.
You lick this one.
Ooh, yummy.
Yeah, that's it. No more, because you're going to your tummy. Alright, now I'm going to put it in the oven, but mommy will do that, okay? Because it's hot, okay? Alrighty.
Yeah, it's a baby.
Say, we'll see him in a little bit.
It's a baby. Nut time. Boom.
What are you doing now, bud?
We're making. We're making cake.
Yeah, we're decorating the cake.
Yeah.
But we're not using that spatula, right?
No.
Okay. Mmm.
Delicious.
Let me see your face. Now what are you doing, bud? Good job, baby. Frosting is done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now what color sprinkles do you want?
I want this one.
What color?
How about that wood? Asparagus good.
Hmm?
Asparagus. What's in my pants?
What about your pants? You said blue like your pants?
Yeah, look.
Okay.
Like
You want this blue?
Yeah, I like blue.
Okay, let's open it up.
That was good.
Okay, be very careful. You get away from there. Shake it like this. See?
Okay.
No, don't get too close. Okay, let me do something. Let me see.
Okay. Now when the candles.
Wait, time out.
Okay.
Ready, go. No, just leave it how they are. No. No, let's not do that. Let's get some new ones. Get rid of those. Let me see. Let go. Okay. Let's just go like this. Look.
Okay. You go on 4.
Okay, now you can eat those. Okay. Okay. Now we have a birthday decoration.
Look at me. Watch me.
Okay, you ready? Put it right in the center.
Here?
Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, don't touch. Leave it, leave it. Don't touch. Okay. There. All right, now we gotta pack it up and ready for birthday, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. Say we'll see you soon.
Let's
Mimi.
see so. Boom. Where's my phone?
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, wait, the candle went out, Tammy. Did you do that?
No, not me. Not me.
It wasn't you?
No, no. Stop it.
You would never
Hey.
mess on a fire, right?
Hey.
Uh-oh.
Let's do it.
Birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mimi. Happy birthday to you. Oh, no. Timmy goes, Mimi's supposed to blow it out, bud.
It's okay.
That's okay.
It's okay. I don't know that I can.
Damn.
You think I can do it?
All right.
Oh,
Here we go.
No! It's for me!
Give me love. Give me hugs, buddy. Give me hugs. I love my birthday cake. Mwah.
Tell Mimi happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Ready?
Say, we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.